Hi guys, we are continuing with the day 3 solutions for the selected problems that we had provided for the InfyTQ first module. So the second problem is that we have to write a Python program in order to calculate the bill amount that has to be paid by the customer based on the gems and the quantity that is to be purchased by the user. If his bill amount is greater than 30,000, he would be availing a 5% discount. If any of the gem is that is required by the customer is not available in the store, then the total bill amount is considered to be -1. Suppose a person is buying ruby, emerald and topaz. If topaz is not available in the store, then the entire buying would be cancelled and the bill amount would be returned as -1. So there's also an assumption that is provided here that the quantity required by any customer for any gem will always be greater than 0. And we have to perform case sensitive comparison wherever applicable. So here guys, we are provided with the gems list, the price of the gems available in the store, and the list of the gems that are required by the customer and the required quantity of the gems. So we would be able to calculate the total amount, and if any particular gem is not present in the shop, then we would be returning a value of -1. So let's just copy these values and use this in our code. Let's just wait for a second. Let me copy these. Yeah, I got them. Let's go to a PyCharm. Here I have my problem 11. Let's just remove that and just create a new Python file, as this would be a problem 12. And let's just create this and let's just save our values that we have copied from, and let's just comment these. We would be using these later. For now, these are to be commented and kept. Okay, so let's write our code first. So what would the first thing be? First we have to write a function where we would be taking in the gems that are required by the user, as well as there would be another list that would be signifying the quantity of the gems, that respective quantities that are demanded by the customer. So there would be a definition. Let me keep it as calculate bill underscore amount. So calculate bill amount. Here I would be providing the required gems as well as the required quantity. Okay, the gems as well as the quantity in which it is required. Here we would be providing the list of the gems that is available in the shop, as well as with the cost per gems. Okay, so this is the gems underscore list, right? Let's just copy this and paste it here, and this is the price list. Let's also copy this, and I'm not able to go to the last line. Yeah, let's paste it here as well. So gems underscore list and price underscore list. So initially the price would be 0, right? And we would be running a for loop through the required gems that is provided by the customer in order to check whether that particular gem is present in my gems list. If it is present, then I would be continuing with the price, else we would be returning -1. So for I in range length of required gems, it would be required gems. So I have got the gem required would be required gems, and it would be I. If the particular gem is present in my gems underscore list, then I have no issue with it. I would be including it in my price. If the gem is present in gems underscore list, the index of the particular gem would be index is equal to gems underscore list. I required this index in order to find out the price, because emerald has a price of 1760, ivory has a price of 2119. If this was a dictionary, then we would not have to find out the index. But since it's not a dictionary and these are two independent lists with the prices present in the same index as the name of the gem, so we required the index. So gems underscore list dot index of the particular gem. Okay, I found the gem here and I found the index where the gem is present, and the price would be equal to price plus it would be price underscore list of index and we would be multiplying it with the quantity. Okay, the quantity would be given by it is also a list, that is required quantity, and we would again provide the index, that is I. This I would be the index that we are traversing in the required underscore gems, and this index would be the index where the particular gem is located. Okay, so we have calculated the price, and if the gem is not there, I would be returning -1. Also, there was another thing that was provided in the question, that if the total bill amount is greater than 30,000, we would be entitled to a 5% discount. So if price is greater than 30,000, then I would be getting a discount of price is equal to price minus what was the percentage? It was a 5% discount on a bill above 30,000, yeah, 0.05 into price. Okay, and we would be returning the price, that would be the bill. Okay, the price is similar to the bill. Okay, and now it's time for the required gems, that is the two variables that we had also copied. These are the variables required gems. So let's copy this here, and the required quantity, let's also copy this here. And now let's just print what was the name of my function? Calculate total bill amount, calculate the bill amount, and we would be providing required gems and the required quantity as the parameters. So let's just run our code now, and as you can see, we are getting a total of 68,347.75. If you want to check this, we would be getting the same amount, I guess. Let me see. 1760 into 3 would be giving me 6,000, and 10 into emerald is ivory is 3, so it would be 6,000. 10 of emerald would be 17,000 something, and 12 of garnet would be 4 12s 48 plus 17 plus 6 would be giving me around 70 plus something. Let me check. 48 plus 17, 48 plus 20 would be 68 plus 3 would be 71. It would be around 71,000 minus the 5% since it is greater than 30,000. So we are getting a value of 68,347.75. So I guess we have done correctly in this particular problem, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you like the video. Drop a like if you liked it, and see you the next time with the next problems.